7 best collagen-rich foods you should definitely eat. Collagen is a protein naturally produced by our bodies and is one of the key components that keeps our skin elastic. It also plays a crucial role in building bones, cartilage, and tendons. When we are young, our bodies produce enough collagen. But as we age, this process slows down, leading to wrinkles, sagging, and reduced skin elasticity. The good news is that there are plenty of foods rich in collagen. So, whether you want to support joint health, improve your skin's elasticity, or promote gut health, these foods can provide the collagen your body needs. Grab a pen and paper, because you won't want to miss these superfoods. Let's dive in. 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is often called the king of collagen. It's a primary source of protein that helps maintain your skin's firmness, keeps your joints healthy, and even enhances hair shine. On top of that, it supports energy levels and helps your body repair itself. This broth is made by simmering animal bones for an extended period, sometimes up to 24 hours. During this time, the collagen in the bones breaks down into amino acids, making it easier for the body to absorb and use. How to consume it? The simplest and most beneficial way is to drink it directly. It also serves as an excellent base for soups and can be used in many recipes that require liquid. You can even use it as a marinade for meat or fish, or replace some of the water when cooking rice or pasta. Just make sure there's enough liquid in your pot. And if you want to try something different, there are also recipes for making ice cubes from bone broth for various creative uses. 2. Spirulina. Spirulina is one of the most powerful sources of collagen. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that spirulina contains very high levels of collagen, which is essential for healthy skin, hair, and nails. The study even noted that spirulina surpasses many other food sources, including fish, in terms of collagen content. This makes sense because spirulina is actually a blue-green algae, and it naturally contains a high amount of this protein. The best way to include enough spirulina in your diet is by adding it to smoothies. Its flavour is very mild, so it blends easily with other ingredients without changing the taste of your drink. To save time in the mornings, you can pre-measure all the ingredients in one container. When it's smoothie time, just toss everything in the blender and you're ready to go. 3. Sardines. Sardines are extremely rich in collagen, making them an excellent choice for meeting your daily collagen needs. Collagen is one of the key building blocks for skin, hair, and nails. It also supports healthy joints and bones. In short, consuming more collagen contributes to better overall health. How exactly do sardines help? First and foremost, they are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 has been scientifically proven to improve joint mobility and reduce inflammation in the body. Sardines are also rich in vitamins A and B12, both essential for healthy skin, reducing wrinkles, and maintaining bright, vibrant eyes. On top of that, sardines are an excellent source of protein, which helps preserve muscle mass, a key factor in slowing the aging process. If you're looking for a simple way to add more collagen to your diet, sardines are a must-try. They're available fresh or canned at most grocery stores and make a perfect addition to sandwiches and salad sticks. Chicken with skin. Chicken cooked with the skin on is one of the richest foods in collagen. Its high benefit comes from the fact that chicken skin contains a significant amount of collagen, which helps keep your skin healthy, elastic, and plump. Collagen also supports cell renewal, helping to reduce fine lines. Additionally, it aids in repairing damaged tissues throughout the body, including bones, tendons, and ligaments. Chicken is also a high-protein food, which means it helps with muscle recovery after exercise. On top of that, it's rich in vitamin B6, which supports energy production in the body. 7. Shellfish and other seafood with shells. Shellfish, mussels, and other shelled seafood are very rich in collagen and are easy to incorporate into your diet. Collagen is a protein that helps keep skin and joints healthy, so it's natural that these foods contain high levels of it. They are also rich in the mineral selenium, which boosts antioxidant production. Antioxidants protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, damage that can lead to cancer, heart disease, and cognitive decline. Shellfish are also packed with vitamin B12 and omega-3 fatty acids, which help stabilize mood and enhance brain function. You can enjoy them in various ways: pan-seared over pasta, with eggs for breakfast, or lightly seasoned with herbs and spices as an elegant appetizer. Getting collagen from food versus supplements. Now let's tackle a common question. Is it better to get collagen from food or supplements? To be honest, the ideal approach is to get it from whole foods, but we know that isn't always possible. If you can't consistently eat enough collagen-rich foods, supplements can be a practical alternative. That said, try to include the collagen sources we mentioned in your daily diet. The key is not to completely rely on supplements, because collagen affects not just your diet, but your overall body function. That's why I explained simple ways to consume each food. Some people may not enjoy the taste or texture of these foods. For them, supplements are convenient and still provide the same benefits. Conclusion. I hope this list helped you get familiar with the main sources of collagen. Remember, collagen isn't only found in these foods. There are many other options as well. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. As always, let us know in the comments which collagen-rich foods you plan to add to your diet. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.